Here we are asked to decide if the following function is even, odd, or neither. And so when I go through this, I need to know a couple of things. First of all, if I'm checking if it is even, I'm really checking if the original function is equal to the same thing as if I plug in negative x. If I'm checking, this is even. If I'm checking odd, that's saying, hey, f of negative x, is that equal to negative f of x? So let me rewrite that. Negative f of x. So that's really what I'm going to check using algebra here to see if they're even or odd. So first one, I'm just going to plug in negative x to the power of 3 minus 4. That's wrong. And now I'm going to simplify. So when I have a negative raised to a third power, that's going to stay negative. This one's going to end up being positive. So we got plus 4x. And this is going to end up being negative. Now, with this one here, I got to double check to see if this is the same as the original, which in this case, it doesn't look like it exactly to start, but I need to check the negative version of it by using my kind of giant 1 principle here. And that'll give me, if I distribute that, x cubed minus 4x over positive 2x to the power 5. And we can see that this is exactly the same as our original. So we'll call this function even. The second one's going to take a little bit of grinding because I have to, personally, to make sure that these are all going to be equal, I'm going to go ahead and simplify this. So that's going to become x squared minus 8x plus 16. Distribute the 3, so I get 3x squared minus 24x plus 48. Combine like terms. And so my original function, when I expand it, is 3x squared minus 24x plus 55. And so I'm going to compare that with g of negative x next. So g of negative x is equal to negative x plus 55. And so this becomes negative 3x squared plus 20. Oh, it does not become negative 3x squared because since it's squared, it stays the same. Whereas the second one, because it's just one negative, it will make this plus 24x plus 55. And so when I compare them, they are not the same. So I have to check to see if it is odd. And to do that, I'm going to take the original function and multiply it by negative 1. And I notice that negative g of x is not like that blue equation there either. They do not match up, and therefore it's not even and it's not odd. So we say it's neither. On a graphing calculator, you can actually plug in these equations here to see if it reflects over the y-axis. And the first one does, like you would see that it reflects over the y-axis. And then the second one, it does not reflect over the y-axis, and it also doesn't have rotational symmetry.